Now we're going to lay out this bowling ball. What we're going to do, and I've actually already done it, you draw a line straight from the pin down to the PSA. That's your first line you're going to make. But the more important thing you need to know before you drill it is the positive axis point of the bowler. And for this particular bowler, it's 4 5/16 over and 1 3/16 up. This bowler is slightly speed dominant, which means their speed overrides how much hand they put in the ball. So we have to drill this relatively strong so that it will get into a roll consistently and carry out that 10 pin. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take the 0 marking on the ProSet quarter scale, and the first angle I've decided to do is 55. Mo recommends this first angle be between 10 and 90. 90 would make the ball skid extremely long, and 10 makes the ball get into a roll extremely early. I don't think he's going to want this ball to get into a roll extremely early. I'm going right in between, 55. I'm going to draw a line from your pin through that mark I made at 55 degrees. The next thing I'm going to do, how much flare potential do I want this ball to have? For John, I'm going to do 4 inches from pin to positive axis point. Make a little mark at 4. That's going to give him a pretty good amount of flare. Not too much side rotation, a little more forward roll for him. Now I'm going to put the 0 marking at the new mark I made. And the next angle I'm going to do 20. Mo recommends to do between 20 and 70. 20 has the ball coming off the spot really hot, hooking a lot, and 70 has the ball getting into a very, very slow transition and not hooking very hard at all. Now I'm going to draw a straight line down here. For this bowler, this is his positive axis point. As I said in the last video, his positive axis point is 4 5/16 over and 1 3/16 up. So we kind of have to go reverse. We're going to go 1 3/16 down and 4 5/16 over. This mark I've made, that's the center of grip, so his hand is pretty much going to lay like this. And what I've done intentionally is I want to end up putting a hole through the PSA to make this ball really, really strong. And the determinator is going to be what shows us how truly strong this ball is. The next video you're going to see how I actually am going to drill this on the press.